Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, grade 3s and 4s. Today we are doing guided class practice 101. All right, so question 1. Here we go. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can pause, you can slow me down. If you think I'm going too slow, you can skip ahead. All right, it's up to you guys. You can move Mr. Alex as fast or slow it as you would like. Okay, question 1. Amber has 92 cents. Erica has 21 cents less than Amber. How much money does Erica have? Okay, Amber has 92 cents. So who has more, Amber or Erica? Amber, good. So we're gonna put an A for, oh, that is a big A. Let's shrink this size down. That's a lot better. A for Amber. Actually, let's make it even a bit smaller. A for Amber and E for Erica. So, how much money does Amber have? Amber has 92 cents. Okay. Now, do we know how much Erica has? It says Erica has 21 cents less than Amber. So, we do not know how much she has, but we know the difference between the two. How much money Erica has is what we are trying to figure out right now in this question. So our number sentence is going to have these two numbers in it, 92 and 27. 92, 27 equals something. So Erica has a smaller amount than Amber. So that means that we're going to have to subtract. Okay, and then if you would like, I would suggest writing the numbers like this, because it would help me write the numbers vertically. Because now I know that I can do 2 take away 7, so 12 take away 7 is 5, 8 take away 2 is 6. So how much money does Erica have? Erica has 65 cents. Okay. Question 2, fill in the missing addends. 13 plus something equals 100. 13 plus something equals 100. So how I would suggest doing this is we have 100 and we have to count 13 backwards to see what takes the place in that box. So we can subtract 100. We can subtract 13 from 100. But remember, we have to borrow a bunch here. It's going to be 10, it's going to be 9. Now we have 10 subtract 3, 7, 9 subtract 1 is 8. If you guys can do this in your head, if you can do it mentally, that's great, go for it. But if you're not sure, I would highly suggest you're doing 100, take away that number. 100, take away that number, okay? And then again, borrow 29, okay? Just like that. Same thing here. 100, what are we going to be doing? 100 take away what? 100 take away 54. Okay. We have to borrow all the way across zeros. Remember how to do that. Okay. Again, if I'm going too fast, you guys can just slow me down. All right, question 3. Norman ate 2 and 1 out of 4, 1/4 miniature pies. Shade the pies to show how much he ate. So, how many whole pies did he eat? He ate 2 whole pies. So we're going to color in 2 whole pies. And then the next pie, how much did he eat? He ate 1 out of the 4. So how many pieces are going to be? 4 pieces. And he ate 1 out of the 4 pieces. Now, how much is not shaded? So how many pies, how many whole pies are not shaded? 2. Okay, here's our 2 whole pies that are not shaded. And then how much of this one is not shaded? 3 out of the 4. Okay. 5:15. Question 4. 5:15. So, 5:15 means we're at the 3. Quarter past means we're at the 3s. 15 minutes past 5 in the afternoon. So it has to be past the 5. Okay? Just like that. So what's the time using digits? What is the time using digits? So what's our hour? Our hour is 5. And what's our minutes? 15. 5, 10, 15. All right. Now, what time was it? 2 hours ago. So it's asking only what was the time hours ago. So the minutes is not going to change at all. The minutes will stay 15. And now it's 5 now. So we're going 2 hours ago. That's 2 hours backwards. So 5, 4, 3. 3:15. And it's in the afternoon, so is it AM or PM? PM, good. Okay, let's find these answers. 3 out of 10 plus 4 out of 10. Remember, we only change our denominator. We only change our numerator. Our denominator stays the same. Again, the numerator is the top number, and that's the numbers that we add or minus. And the denominator, the number on the bottom, is the number that stays the same. Numerator changes, denominator stays the same. Okay, question 6. Circle the best number sentence to use to estimate the sum of 53 and 36. So what does 53 get rounded to? Remember, estimate means we are rounding the numbers. Estimate means we are rounding the numbers. 53 gets rounded to what? 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. That's right, 50. And then 36, what does that get rounded to? 40. Good. And there it is right there, 50 and 40. Good. All right, grade 3's fourth, that is guided class practice 101. Thank you for watching, and thank you for getting your work done. I miss all of you, I love all of you, and I hope I get to see you soon.